morning. It's cold. Okay, so we're actually up here in Waynesville, North Carolina. We came up here to see all the fall leaves, and we're staying in a place that's called the Willow House. And the first thing that caught my attention when we were getting ready to book this place was it's totally open concept, which I love, and all of the natural light. It's got windows pretty much 360 around the house. So everywhere you stand in this house, you can see out into the leaves, mountain views, everything. So it makes me super happy to feel like I'm in a tree house. Let's start up first is the living room. When you first come in, you're gonna come into this cozy little like seating area, living room. You've got a fireplace, you've got lots of seating, and then you've got another huge window with all kinds of pretty views. So then once you leave the living room, open concept, you flow right to where the dining room table is. Dining room table is huge. You could literally feed like 50 people here. It's amazing. This house is perfect for like big groups, families, anything. This table, we actually had a fun little night last night where we decorated some Halloween cookies and they're super cute. And then after the dining room, you're just gonna flow right into this amazing kitchen with super pretty little modern pendants, big sink, microwave oven, fridge, dishwasher, everything you could possibly need. So then through the kitchen, you flow right into a half bathroom that's just off the kitchen. And then you come into the first, I think the first and only bedroom that's downstairs. So it's perfect. It's got wardrobes. I've never seen anything like this. Wardrobes taking up the entire section of a wall, and then another window that's just literally, I feel like I'm staring at a painting. It's beautiful. Bed. This one even has a little back patio, like a little porch where you can walk out and sit on. So an ensuite bathroom that's right off here, and it's got 2 sinks, which is amazing, 2 double vanities, and then a beautiful shower. The tile in here is absolutely beautiful. I mean, this bathroom is huge. What more could you ask for? Okay, so I think that pretty much covers downstairs. Let's head upstairs. Okay, I made it up the stairs. Upstairs, you've got 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths. And look how amazing. They added a coffee bar up here, so I don't have to go downstairs every morning for my coffee. And one of my favorite little tucked away gems right here is a wall full of books, which gets me so hyped. So I thought this was really cute. It's got all kinds of books, which the nerd in me loves. So another perk. Okay, so now that I've covered everything in the hallway, let's check out the first bedroom that's up here. So first, when you walk in, of course, windows galore everywhere, 360 views again. I love it, in case you can't tell. So this one actually has a bathroom too, and I think a nice huge walk-in closet. So nice big bed, mountain views all around, and then the closet, bathroom. So first up is this little bathroom, sink, vanity, mirror, and then really cool tile. I've never seen this tile. When I first walked in here, I literally thought it was like I don't know, it was like weird carpet from the texture, but it is so pretty. I love it. I thought that was a really cool tile choice. Okay, so I secretly saved the best for last. Forget everything I said downstairs about the best view, because I'm taking you to it right now. So past the coffee nook, past my books, washer and dryer that's tucked away right there. And then I'm not gonna show you, this closet's a banger. It's awesome. But we literally have every single thing we own in this closet right now because we had to clean up for you guys. So, most importantly, why I booked this house. Let's just let you take a look. So when you first come in, the first thing that obviously catches your eye, a soaking tub with a window right above it. Goals in our future house, I want this set up. So we literally were out hiking all day yesterday. It was so nice just to come and like soak in a tub. So you've got tub and shower, it's all in one. And then once again, they were really freaking smart because they did double vanities in almost every bathroom. So you've got a sink. Can you imagine brushing your teeth to that view, washing your face? It's amazing. And then you've got the little vanity with the mirror. So, but I have to say, this bathroom has the best views in the whole house. All right, and then let's take you from the bathroom into the master, which this chair is everything. I think Dustin took a few naps in that already. So it's super cozy. And then if I haven't said views enough times, the views out these windows are absolutely beautiful. And then you even have a little one across from this bed. It's just totally just the woods, nothing behind you or anything like that. So it's so pretty. Huge TV, king size bed, super cozy. I've literally slept like a little baby the past 2 nights. So it's super cozy, except for the first night where we didn't turn on the heat and about froze our little booties off, but it was fine. So absolutely beautiful. It's so just light and airy, and every choice that they made is like absolutely perfect. So absolutely love it. I think that wraps it up. I'm gonna hand you guys off to Dustin and let him give you the outside tour.
All right, Paige is giving you the whole house tour. She's gonna hand it over to me now. So let's go outside. Okay, so as you walk out here on the porch, it's like a 360 view of just wooded area, just like the inside, what they did with the windows, of how they just give you this views of these beautiful fall foliage they have here. So they have an outdoor eating area here, which is pretty neat. If you have beautiful weather, which it's been beautiful the entire time we've been here, you can enjoy your coffee, dinner, breakfast, whatever you want. Let's go around to my favorite part of the porch, which it wraps all the way around, which is beautiful right here. That's the fire pit. For cool days like today, this comes in handy, and this is perfect right here. Me and Paige last night watched the sun go down and sat here for probably, 30 minutes to an hour, just staying warm with this fire pit. That is definitely my favorite part. Looking out, looking over the fire, looking out, looking at the sunset, just looking at the fall foliage. So that was a tour of the Willow House. We don't mean to be rude, but I'm gonna have to kick you out because we need to get our day started. And
I'm hungry.
Yeah, we're ready to go hike. We're hungry. We're ready to get the day started. So thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. And as always, man, just thank you. But I'm gonna have to kick you out. So until next time, we'll see you later.